Hi, my name is Charlotte Rouse, and I want to introduce you to Rose Hill Estate. 350 acres of elevated elegance, lifestyle, and country living, as featured in Architectural Digest. Rose Hill Estate was built in 1799 and then beautifully renovated by Charleston designer Amelia Hendigan. We have a combination of historic relevance and modern sophistication. And this is your primary suite on the main level. It has access to the outside front porch for your morning views and coffee. You have a full bath with separate tub and shower, dual vanity sinks and closets and sitting area. It's a stunning and lovely views of your gardens. And who would love a magnificent kitchen like this? A chef's eat-in kitchen with all the modern amenities but historic relevance. Beautiful countertops, floors are stunning, and look at that fireplace hearth, just historically perfect. And this is our second bedroom, just as elegant and beautiful as our primary. Lots of light, a full bath, separate tub, walk-in closet, and beautiful views of the gardens. And you get a fireplace as well. And in this very elegant dining room, we have custom-made French wallpaper, hardwood floors, a beautiful fireplace, the perfect atmosphere for a very elegant dinner. So this is our very elegant music room, octagonal music room with hand-painted geometrical floors. We have English windows, we have a fireplace. So if you have a private music session in here, or an opera singer, or just playing some wonderful harp or piano, it's stunning. I want to welcome you to this beautiful historic garden, an abundance of flowers. We have roses of Sharon, peonies, hydrangeas, fruit trees, butterflies, birds, everything you can desire in a purple, serene setting. How about this beautiful trellis work for your romantic dinner with your special person? Candlelight, beautiful sounds of the birds, that perfect glass of wine, and serenity and tranquility. Beautiful setting. You can play tennis, and I invite you to come and do some singles or doubles. Beautiful setting. This is the perfect spot to be on a Sunday morning with family or friends. Century-old trees, some good shade, just very relaxing and beautiful. You're never too old for a good swing, especially when your surrounding is century-old trees and majestic views. This is lovely. And this is the beautiful Dovecote here, hosting the Birmingham Flyers. The architectural drawings of this property was found in Monticello and was designed by Thomas Jefferson. Obviously designed in 1800 and built into 2000. Stunning experience to have this on your property. And then we have this beautiful Italian folly recently built with a stocked, oversized pond with views over Rose Hill Estate and its luscious grounds, the 350 acres. And this is our beautiful and historic Pennsylvania bank barn that was relocated from Pennsylvania. We have a gym, we have a kitchen, a full bedroom, and a beautiful car, which we might include for the right price. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 350 acres on geothermal. There's a guest cottage with its own kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. There's a barn, and most importantly, it's a majestic setting. I can't wait to show you this house, so call me for a tour, as this really needs an in-person experience. And as you say in Sweden, borta bra, men hemma är bäst.